It looks like Adidas just gave me a shoe that they've never made before. What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler, and today Adidas actually hit me up and told me to meet them in SoHo to pick up a pair of mystery sneakers that they've never actually made before. I'm really excited about this. Before we get into the unboxing, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you guys didn't already know, I'm doing a pretty cool Halloween giveaway. I'm not telling you guys exactly what sneakers are going to be given away yet, but it's just my small way of thanking you guys for supporting the channel. All I'll tell you is that these shoes are pretty hyped, they're Halloween themed, and they recently came out. So if you guys want to know more about the upcoming giveaway, make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't yet. Also, I'll be dropping hints about the giveaway on my Instagram and my Twitter at RealSethFowler, so if you want to learn more, make sure to follow me over there as well. But with all of that out of the way, let's jump right into the unboxing, or I guess unbagging. Like I said, Adidas NYC hit me up and they're like, hey, we've got a really cool pair of mystery sneakers we want to give you. It's in preparation for the Never Made collection dropping at Hype Fest this Saturday. Now, from what I know about this collection, it's really exciting because what they did is they took the sole and midsole of different sneakers and put them on uppers of just completely different sneakers that have never had that sole or midsole before. So for example, they're taking Boost You Wear soles and putting them on old silhouettes, or they're taking Commanda soles or 4D soles and dropping them on sneakers that have never had those soles before. And from what I can tell, this sneaker collection is only dropping at Hype Fest, so if you want to grab one of these for yourself, you're gonna have to go. But huge thank you to Adidas because they hit me up and let me pick up these shoes like a couple days early, which is incredible, first of all. Second of all, they just gave me this pair of shoes, so seriously, thank you again, Adidas NYC. But the way they actually had me pick up this pair of shoes was really cool. It was a really interesting way to do it. They had me go down to Vince Street Cobbler in SoHo, and on the left side of the store, they had built this really cool display of some of the Never Made sneakers. I mean, obviously this store is actually a real cobbler, so they had real customers coming in and out, but if you were an influencer, they had you come in and give your name to the guy at the front and he went and grabbed your pair of sneakers. They didn't tell me which pair it was, and like I said, there's a bunch of sneakers in the Never Made collection, so I'm really excited to see what I got. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, there's a tag on the front of the bag that says which pair of sneakers it is, and you guys might have already seen earlier in this video. But you know what? It still might be a surprise for some of you guys, so I'm not gonna show you guys this tag until later on in the video, and let's just get into the unboxing. So inside the Adidas Originals Never Made bag, we have this all white box. There's no branding on it whatsoever, which is pretty cool. It kind of keeps the mystery. So why don't I stop wasting your time and we'll open these guys up and see what we've got. Nice. So the first thing to fall out of the box is this, what looks like a Never Made poster. And then on the back side, we've actually got these really cool illustrations of all the shoes in the collection, and I think these were done by Kick Posters. In fact, I'm pretty sure they were. So some of the sneakers that came in this Never Made collection are the Marathon X 5923s. So you've got a Marathon upper and then an I5923 midsole and outsole. You've also got the Rising Star R1, so it's a Rising Star upper and then an NMD R1 outsole. Oh, that's sick. So you've got a Crazy 2 upper and then a Boost You Wear outsole. That's a really cool combination. That's actually one of the coolest. You've also got the original Micro Pacer upper and then the shoe it inspired, the NMD R1. I actually didn't realize they had never made that shoe before. That's really cool. And then I think the most hype shoe out of the bunch is the I5923 with the 4D outsole. That's such a sick shoe, but I don't think they were giving it away at this event, so I'm pretty sure that's not gonna be in the box, unfortunately. But hey, if you go to Hype Fest, they have them there, so hopefully you'll get lucky, or I'll get lucky, or someone will get lucky, but really excited about that. Very cool poster. Into the shoes themselves. So hanging outside the box, we've got this Adidas Originals Never Made tag, and then on the back side, it actually says what shoe it is, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. But now, to the moment we've all been waiting for, the shoes that I got. So as you guys can tell, I got the Micro Pacer NMD R1 sneaker. After the 4Ds, this is actually my favorite pair. So I saw these in the store and I think the concept is really, really cool. Like I said, you've got the OG Micro Pacer upper, which is really cool because it actually features the step counter in the tongue. And then of course, on the midsole of the sneaker, you've got the NMD R1 Boost midsole. So if you know anything about the Micro Pacer, you know that the original sole looked similar to the NMD R1, and that's sort of the design that inspired the NMD R1. So this is actually a really sick mashup of a classic sneaker and then the more modern sneaker that it inspired. This sneaker is really, really sick. It's got this crazy like metallic silver leather upper, which looks really, really cool. It's kind of like 90s future looking, which I think is awesome. You've got Micro Pacer written on that center stripe, which I think is sick. Of course, you've got your NMD R1 outsole and that same sort of blue and black that's found on the rest of the sneaker. And then obviously your NMD R1 midsole with the black and red accents, which I think look really, really good. And it's even got the step counter, which is something that was actually missing from the Future Pacer, which dropped a couple months ago. This is such a cool mashup. I love what they did with it. And I love the fact that they use the classic colors too. That just really sets it off. These are sick. I really dig these. I'm definitely gonna wear these to Hype Fest, which by the way, unfortunately, tickets tickets were free, and so they sold out really quickly, but if you did get tickets, I'll see you there. You've got this really nice cream colored suede on the toe, which I think is a really nice touch. You've actually also got the NMD pull tabs too, which I think is really cool. I don't know if those were on the original Micro Pacer, but I kind of doubt it. This grayish blue on the 3 stripes and on the heel works really nicely with this red. The whole shoe is just super, super clean. Also, just like the original Micro Pacer, only the left shoe has the step counter. The right shoe has a pocket that's very small. I don't know what you'd want to put in it. That's legal, but you know what? I think we should do it on foot. I think these guys deserve it. So I think Adidas is calling this guy the Micro Pacer R1, and like I said, it's never been made before, and I don't think it's ever gonna be made again. I could be wrong about that, but I think this collection is specially made for Hype Fest. So from what I can tell, this shoe is actually like really, really limited. I don't know the exact numbers, but I know that there definitely aren't a lot of them. So obviously Adidas is gonna be at Hype Fest. They're gonna have the entire Never Made collection there, which I think is super cool. I'm gonna try and get my hands on a pair of the i5 4Ds to review for you guys, but kind of doubt that'll happen, but you never know. Out of the entire set, this one's definitely my second favorite after the 4Ds, and actually my third favorite might be the Crazy 2 Crazy Boost G Wears. Those guys look really sick as well. But guys, that about wraps up the video for today. I'd love to know your thoughts on the Micro Pacer R1s and actually what you think of all the sneakers in the collection. Let me know your thoughts on those, and also if you're going to Hype Fest in the comment section down below. Also, if you guys want to learn more about the upcoming giveaway, make sure you're subscribed down below and you're following me on Instagram and on Twitter at RealSethFowler. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.